Hi, I'm Cindy.
I'm Matt.
I'm Paul, and we're here for Happy Mittens. So Kathy is a mother of 2 children, and whenever Kathy goes to the store, she buys clothes that she brings back and realizes that every 2 to 3 months, she must go back to the store because her children have already outgrown the clothes. And so, as it is very difficult to return these clothes to the stores that she has purchased them from, she realizes that she either has to donate them to relatives or she throws them away. And in both cases, it could be extremely wasteful for the family. And so the next time Kathy goes to the store to buy clothes for her children, her tendency is to either buy clothes that are 2 sizes too big or extremely cheap. And in both cases, the children don't really want to wear them as they either don't look good or they're too big on them. Eventually, this can have a straining effect on the relationship of the parent and the children. And so as Happy Mittens, we are here to be the pain reliever for this problem.
We believe that we can bring value to our customers by eliminating the need to make frequent trips to the store to buy clothes, and by also finding an easier way to find clothes that are the appropriate size and the style that the customers are looking for. So how does our platform work? Our business is based on a 2-sided model. On one side, we have buyers, which are parents who are looking for clothes, and they might have certain criteria such as the gender, size, age, and the type of clothing. And on the other side, we have the sellers, which are parents who have clothes of their children that are outgrown and they no longer can use. And of course, they can always donate them or throw them away, but they would prefer to monetize off of them. This is where Happy Mittens comes in. We take the buyer's preferences and search our database for all the clothing that has been listed by the sellers, and we look for a match. And if we do find one, we connect the buyers to the sellers in hopes of creating a transaction. So you can kind of think of us as like a matchmaker.
And so our business model runs on 3 main components. Our first component is a transaction fee where we'll be charging the sellers a small percentage of their total revenue made on sales per item. And our second component are advertisements for companies that we work with, and these will just basically be subtle and non-competitive companies. And our final component is a freemium model where, although our app is free, we are offering the option to pay to unlock certain features, such as having an ad-free experience or having the ability to have priority listings, where a freemium user will be able to place their items and it will have a more prominent featuring on the application, which could lead to a higher matchmaking ratio.
Our planned marketing strategy is to use TV commercials, Facebook advertisements, as well as an email list. And additionally, we plan on flyering in front of different department stores and malls and shopping centers in front of stores that sell children's clothing, so we can target parents of growing children. And we have many competitors in this space. There's ThredUp and Swap.com, and these are online thrift shops that offer really affordable clothing, but the quality might not be so great. And then there's stores like Forever 21 and H&M that offer more more affordable clothing, but they're lower quality. There's also hand-me-downs, which are of course very affordable, but the quality is varying. There's also more luxury brands such as Little Marc Jacobs or Polo Ralph Lauren for children, and these are higher quality clothing items but at a very expensive price. And Happy Mittens is different because we offer affordable clothing at high quality, and we target specifically children.
So you might be interested in the market size that we're facing. We did some research and found that 22.8% of the U.S. population consists of children under the age of 18, which comes out to about 73.7 million people. And we assume that parents, on average, make about 4 trips per year to buy clothing for their children, spending about $200 each, which comes out to about $800 per year. And we can use that number to find the total addressable market. When multiplying that against the population of the U.S., we get about $258 billion per year. But we're more interested in the under 18 market, so we multiply the 800 by the 73.7 to get about $59 billion per year. We can also look at the total revenue of the U.S. children's wear market since 2013, and we see really stable growth of about 4.3% per year.
So our current status is that we've created a landing page as well as a marketing video, and we also created an e-commerce website on Shopify that serves as our MVP. And we plan to use the funds that we raise to hire developers to create the first version of our site, which we'll release in a beta mode to early adopters who can give us feedback. And after that, we'll release the site to the public. And during this time, we'll continue to use our marketing strategies in order to reach more potential customers. Thank you.
Thank you.